इतना देसी है और मैं थोड़ी विदेशी हूँ।
Okay.
तो वो मुझे, जैसे मैं उसको बोलती हूँ I need bottle of water, तो वो बोलता है bowa to match the vibe.
You like him? Auction piece that the person you will fight for.
Preeto, Khushi and Jhalak. These three girls I will fight for. Actually पता है क्या है? उसको लगता है वो मजाक कर रहा है, but sometimes I think he crosses the limit. उसको समझ नहीं आता है कब कितना बस है.
Hi guys, this is your insider Amir Hussain, and today I have with me Kaira. Hi Kaira.
Hi,
How are
Hi,
you?
Amir.
Hi Kaira. How are you?
I'm good, very well. How are you?
How's it going in Spitsera?
Good so far.
ठीक है. Now we'll do a prediction segment. जो मैं कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा आपसे, and you have to predict कि आगे जाके कौन ऐसा कर सकता है या कर सकती है. ठीक है?
Done.
कौन सा कंटेस्टेंट का मल्टीपल कनेक्शन बन सकता है?
I think निहारिका.
निहारिका.
अभी उसके पास इतने ऑप्शंस नहीं, बिकॉज उसके वर्ड्स है कि कोई इतना अच्छा है नहीं. शी ट्राइड टू गो टू गुल्लू 3-4 times.
Oh,
even
she tried.
after I told her I really kind of like him.
Oh.
And I think he likes me too, and all the other girls told her too कि no, I think Gullu and Kaira are vibing, and she said ठीक है बहन, वो तेरा है, मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगी. And then the next morning she went again to him कि मुझे आपके साथ connection बनाना है. तो I think it's fair that उसको थोड़े और options मिले ताकि वो मेरे connection को छोड़.
Fair enough. कौन सर्वाइवल के लिए अपना इमोशंस फेक करे?
निहारिका. Because I'll tell you why. I have a reason why. जैसे मैंने start किया था कि beautiful girls can coexist, and I came with that mindset until I saw कि I don't think she realized कि someone else can also be very confident in front of the camera, and they have the personality for the camera.
Got it.
So I think she felt a little intimidated by me, and then she flipped.
Okay.
Because हमारा कुछ ऐसे personally झगड़ा हुआ ही नहीं है. कुछ भी हुआ नहीं है. All of a sudden it just flipped, and I'm like, oh, I thought we were friends. तो वो बहन को always था. And we started with 5 people, and now we're left with 4. So
धीरे-धीरे 4, 3, 2 और आप
हो
अकेले
जाएगा.
बच जाएंगे.
Correct. हो जाए. हम सब अकेले आए हैं, अकेले जाएंगे. Maybe with the connection, or maybe with not a connection, right? I'm okay with that. But I think when we discussed our feelings for each other, I thought we were friends. So
ठीक, fair enough. शो का मेन विलेन कौन निकलेगा?
Ron.
Because you don't know him.
I don't know him. I mean, I vibe with everyone.
Okay.
But he's not put in efforts. I've not put in efforts, and I think there is some there is some tension,
ठीक
and
है.
I don't know why. I think because he's Ashmita. क्या नाम है उनका? What's her
Anushka.
name? No, Ashmita's.
Ashmit.
Ashmita's connection. So I think that's why.
Okay.
So because both of them are together, probably.
Connection का असर.
Connection का असर.
ठीक है.
Under influence.
कौन इधर की बात है उधर करेगा?
Interesting. I like
Interesting.
it.
I like it.
I think it would be Arav.
Arav. All the bad things goes to Arav.
Not really. All the bad नहीं. He's just वो छोटा है अभी.
शो खत्म होने तक कौन आपका एनिमी बन सकता है या बन सकती है?
निहारिका.
Obvious.
Because उसने कुछ हुआ नहीं है और वो तभी कैमरा के लिए इतना सब कुछ कर रही है. तो I think she cannot stand someone who's stronger, and so I think she's going to, both of them, Ashmita and her, both of them are going to try to come at me, and it's okay. I will take it as a compliment.
कौन आगे जाके अपने कनेक्शन में चीट करेगा?
I don't think so. I think everyone wants to have that security.
You don't know?
I don't have a name.
At least give a guess. मतलब
Cheat करेगा. To be stable, I think girls में यार, I think all the girls are very. I think it would be a boy.
that will cheat.
Take his name.
Arav.
I think it's a survival of the fittest. So I
Okay.
think he can try to,
सबसे वीकेस्ट कंटेस्टेंट कौन होगा?
I don't think weak, but I feel like अभी तक उनको थोड़ा गेम समझ नहीं आ रहा है. It's Kiona for me.
क्यों ना?
उनको गेम अभी तक शायद समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
आपके हिसाब से कौन बनेगा लवर बॉय और लवर गर्ल ऑफ द विला?
I might be the lover girl of the I think I'm very emotional and जैसा लोग कह रहे हैं कि she's too naive, she's the Geet, प्यार में पड़ ही जाएगी and people are talking a lot about my connection कि वो तोड़ देगा, he will move on, flip, switch, whatever. I think I'll end up being a lover girl or Jhalak. It could be Jhalak as well.
A lover boy?
Lover boy would be Ayush.
आयुष. मेरे को I'll give you a description. आप मेरे को बोलो कि ये बंदा है, ये बंदी कौन है, या कौन हो सकता है.
Okay.
ठीक है? 2 rupees person.
बाप रे. This is too bad.
Worthless.
It's a very heavy word, but I think it is. What's her name? I can say a girl's name.
Yeah. कौन?
And
What is this?
Ashmita.
Ashmita.
Her hair's really long, so.
Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Limited edition.
Kyra.
Kyra. Okay. High maintenance.
High maintenance, as in someone who's bougie, someone who's
Yes. Out of the league, मतलब something like that.
out of the league.
Yeah.
Then it has to be Kyra, no? No, you don't think so?
I am not the contestant to tell that.
Khushi.
Khushi. Okay. Overpriced. Overrated.
Overrated Niharika.
Okay. Oh. Out of stock.
Out of stock, as in what sense?
मतलब they have a connection now. मतलब you.
Oh, out of stock. हमारी अनुष्का.
Okay. Auction piece that the person you will fight for.
Preeto.
You
I
will-
will fight for her. I
Okay.
mean, not with her, for her.
For her. Okay.
For her.
Now.
Preeto, Khushi, and Jhalak.
ठीक
These
है.
3 girls I will fight for.
Now we'll do a first impression segment with you, and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Dash को देखकर मुझे first trap at first sight हुआ.
I think all the girls would agree it was Mohit for all of us.
Okay, at least you're honest. Dash को देखकर मुझे eek at first sight हुआ.
Like, yikes, no way.
Yeah.
Because he gives me a more brotherly vibe.
Okay.
I cannot see him in a very romantic
Okay.
way, is Vishu.
Wish you. Okay.
Yeah. Not eeks you,
Okay.
but brotherly.
Yeah, fair enough. Dash को देखकर मुझे cringe at first sight हुआ.
Arav. Not exactly, अब उससे थोड़ा
Okay.
cringe.
Dash को देखकर मुझे instant spark at first sight हुआ. Go.
I think we vibed way too much और हमारा start ऐसे होता है कि तू मेरे लिए connection ढूंढना, मैं तेरे लिए connection ढूंढना, ये ढूंढते ढूंढते हम
एक दूसरे के लिए
I think हम
connection-
लोग इतने मस्ती मजाक
हाँ.
करने लग गए कि we vibed.
You like
And
it.
it was more of like वो इतना देसी है और मैं थोड़ी विदेशी हूँ.
Okay.
तो वो मुझे जैसे मैं उसको बोलती हूँ I need bottle of water.
हाँ.
तो वो बोलता है bawa
Bawa.
to match the vibe.
You like him.
He's very funny.
You like
And
him?
raw.
You like him?
I like him.
Yes, okay. Dash को देखकर मुझे bore at first sight हुआ.
Bored.
Yeah,
Arav.
Arav. ठीक है. Now I'll give you a description and you have to rate it out for me. Like who is 10 out of 10 and कौन है जो 0 out of 10 है. Okay. In this
So
description.
controversial.
Yeah, yeah. Hotness.
Gullu.
10 out of 10.
10 on 10.
And 0 out of 10.
Arav.
Arav. Outfit game.
Vishu. It has to be Vishu. Come on. We all
10
should
out of
agree. Yeah, 10 on 10.
And 0 out of 10.
Then I think everyone's well dressed. I mean, everybody's here.
Who you don't like? Whose dressing sense you don't like? Okay, everyone's well dressed, but who you don't like? Not your type of dress.
I've not seen Ron that much, so maybe him.
ठीक है. Okay. Cutest.
Vishu.
Cutest 10 out of 10 and 0 out of 10. Who's not cute at all?
Arav.
Arav. Mastermind.
I think Ayush.
Ayush is a mastermind. और जिसके पास दिमाग नहीं है 0 out of 10.
Arav.
Arav. सबका
कुछ भी
Arav.
बोल देता है. नहीं,
I-
actually पता है क्या है?
हाँ.
उसको लगता है वो मजाक कर रहा है, but sometimes I think he crosses the limit. उसको समझ नहीं आता है कब कितना बस है.
ठीक
So
है.
I think that's why.
Okay.
We bonded because हमारा same background है, but he's still a little, उसको पता नहीं है limits.
ठीक है. Threatening.
Threatening amongst boys.
Amongst girls as well.
Oh,
Whatever,
girls as
yeah,
well.
yeah.
Shit, why didn't you tell me this before?
Yeah.
Threatening. I think it could be No one's threatening yet. But I feel like some vibes from Diptanshu.
Diptanshu is threatening.
Not threatening, but थोड़ा मुझे लगता है वो बहुत strong है mentally.
Okay. Thirst trap.
All the girls का same answer होना चाहिए.
Mohit. Okay. Green flag.
Gullu.
Gullu. Red flag.
Arav. He's my favorite.
All the bad things goes to Arav only, I feel like. Smooth talker.
Gullu.
Who doesn't talk smooth? Arav.
No.
Then?
Diptanshu, because
Okay.
he's not exchanged words with me. I had to go to him and I'm like, hi, I'm Kyra. And amongst the other boys, they all kind of like spoke to me.
ठीक है. Most real.
Gullu.
Most fake.
You know it.
Arav. Arav.
I feel like he अब उसको बस अपना जगह बनाने के लिए he's trying to do a lot of things.
Okay.
So which is making him feel that
ठीक है. Okay.
or look like that.
Fair enough. Alpha.
Gullu.
Attention seeker.
निहारिका.
निहारिका attention seeker.
100% कैमरा के लिए वो कुछ ज्यादा I mean हमारा कुछ इतना हुआ ही नहीं है. Even कल इवनिंग तक वो मेरे रूम में बैठ के मुझसे बात कर रही थी, मुझे बोल रही थी मैं किसके साथ कनेक्शन बनाऊं. I was actually trying to help her. I even fixed her dress for her. So I don't know, all of a sudden when we went for that session, flipped and I was like, oh, okay, now we're fighting. ठीक है.
ठीक
So I think it is to seek more attention.
Lovely information you giving me. ठीक है. थोड़ा contestants का नाम लूँगा मैं. And उसके हिसाब से you give me some facial expressions.
Okay, I'm very expressive.
Yes, we'll see. Done. Ron.
I don't know you.
Okay. ठीक है. Gullu. Okay. Oh yes, of course. Arav.
Arav.
Okay. Gaurish.
Okay.
Okay. Mohit.
Mohit.
Oh. Vishu.
Vishu. Cute.
Okay. Ayush.
Ayush.
Smart. Okay. Diptanshu. Okay. Okay, lovely talking to you.
Same
I'll see
here.
you soon.
See you soon.
Take care of yourself
You too.
and your connection.
Yeah, I will. I will.
Okay. You guys stay tuned and keep watching MTV Sitsvilla 16.
32 hot singles have entered the villa.
One choice, प्यार या पैसा.
And I'm high on Igbo, feeling so fly. Rocking designers with low tanks. Stacking my feelings with no doubts. Back on my stash on the low.
Catch their stories on Meet the Splitsvillains.
On MTV Splitsvilla Extra Dose Special, streaming on Jio Hotstar.
Scroll more to watch more.